students, this question asked in GATE 2006 in 1 mark. So let's see what it is saying. L1 is a language that is given 0n plus m, 1 and 0m, okay, where n comma m greater than equal to 0. L2 is a language given, okay. In the similar way, L3 is also given. Which of these languages are not context free? Which of these languages are not context free? So first we need to understand context free allows is what? Context free allows only one comparison between elements of the string. If more than one comparison is there, then you can say that this, that language is not context free. So let's check where is one comparison is only required. L1 equal to what? 0n plus m, 1n, 0m, n comma m greater than equal to 0. Okay. So here is only one comparison is required, and what is that comparison? Means the very first 0 length and 0 length in a string, W string, is equal to what? The length of the one in a string plus the length of the 0 in a string. Okay. This is only one comparison is required in L1 when we form the strings in L1 language. Okay. So there is a one comparison is required. That's why it is what? CFL. That's why it is what? CFL. Take the second language. L2 equal to what? 0 n plus m, 1 n plus m, 0 m, and n comma m greater than equal to 0. Right. So here how many comparisons is required? First comparison is 0 and 1. First comparison is 0 and 1, and second comparison is what? 1 and 0. 1 and 0 means it always compare that the 0 which is coming after 1 is always less than from 1. Is always less than from 1. You can say that m always less than what? N plus m. Second comparison required here, 1 and 0. Just because of this, we always need to remember the length which is coming, the length of 0 which is coming just after 1 is always less than from the length of 1. Okay. So this is a second comparison. So this, as I told you, if more than one comparison is present in any language, then that language is not CFL, because CFL allows only one comparison. So this is not CFL, right? Okay, fine. Take L3, 0 n plus m, 1 n plus m, 0 n plus m, and where n comma m greater than equal to 0. So here we need also two comparisons. First one, this 0 and this one, and second one is what? This one and this 0. Okay. So two comparison also required. Okay. So this is also not what? CFL, right? So which languages are not CFL? L1 is not CFL. No, L1 is CFL. So that's why it is a wrong option. Okay. L3 only? No, L2 is also non-CFL. So that's why it is also a wrong option. L1 and L2 both are not context free. No, as we know, L1 is what? Context free language. So this option is also wrong. So which two languages are the not context free? L2 and L3, as we can see from here and here. Okay. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. You can see the solution from here. Okay. So in L2 is what is happening is not context free. L1 we know is context free. Since two comparisons have to be made here to determine if W belongs to L2. First one is what? 0 and 1s are equal. First we need to compare the number of 0s and 1s are equal. And second one is what? Since m less than n plus 1, we have to ensure that zeros which come after this are less in number compared to n plus m. So that's why it is not context free. Okay. What about L3? L3 is also not a context free. Okay. So option D is correct. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.